Hey guys, it is week 8. So for this week, we are going to Frankenmuth for Cheesapalooza or whatever they're calling it. This is going to be a different video. And if the weather holds off, it's not too bad. They are having a German car show, so it'd be classic, you know, Volkswagen, Mercedes, stuff like that. And so we're gonna go there and see if we can do that, because that's just down the street from the cheese house. So we just got here. We're just kind of setting up right now, and I'm tired. I'm gonna charging the golf cart.
What are you talking about?
And yeah, just trying to get things situated. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna go in. I think we might have a campfire. I don't know. We're having a campfire tonight?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
No, it's
So get the campfire going. We got the washer going. Piper's gonna help today. And then what we got to do is I'm not going to have it pour into a bucket, because this one, we have too much water, because if she does 1 or 2 bags, she has a decent bag over there. Let's hook the tube up. It goes right into our tote. And then I just hook it up to the golf cart and tow it up to the dump. So right now, though, it's just running just soap water just to clean it up, because we haven't used it since last year and it kind of got a little yucky. So alrighty, we get started.